Dilation is another type of transformations that shapes can go through. A dilation is just a stretch or a shrink of your pre-image or original. A dilation will give you a similar figure to your pre-image. So the shape will stay the same. It will still remain a rectangle or a triangle. However, the size will change. Now, the way we know how to change these shapes is in proportion to the original or the pre-image, and that's called the scale factor. And a lot of times you'll see it labeled with the letter K. So K in this case means scale factor for dilations. So if we're looking at the blue rectangle up top, the side lengths are labeled 16 on the top and the bottom, and then 4 on the side lengths to the left and to the right. So if we were told that our scale factor is going to be 1/4. So what that means is our image or new image that we're going to create will be 1/4 the size of our pre-image. And the easy way to get your new side lengths is to just multiply. Scale factor is always associated with multiplication. All of your side lengths by your scale factor. So 16 times 1/4 is 4. 4 times 1/4 is 1. And so your new image or image of the rectangle is now 1/4 of its size. So those are similar shapes because they're in proportion to one another. And when we're talking about scale factor and proportions, we're always talking about multiplication. So if we were given the triangle at the bottom, the blue triangle with all the side lengths as 3, and these are not drawn to scale, and then we were told that our image had side lengths of 9. So our pre-image is in the blue, or the blue outline, and our image or new image is the orange outline. So what would our scale factor have to be to go from the pre-image with side lengths of 3 to the image with side lengths of 9? What would we have to multiply the original by? What would our proportion have to be in order to get side lengths of 9? And remember, scale factors and the proportions that we're talking about are always multiplication in this case. And so to get from the pre-image of 3 to the image of 9, our scale factor is 3. So something to remember is if your scale factor is less than the number 1, then your shape will shrink or get smaller. If your scale factor is greater than 1, 2, 3, 4, any of those, then your shape will get bigger or it will stretch. So let's look at what this looks like on a coordinate plane. So we have quadrilateral A, B, C, D, and I've already labeled the points, the pre-image where the originals are on the coordinate plane. And I'm given a scale factor of 2. Well, all that means is this quadrilateral is going to stretch. It's going to double or be twice the original size. And our proportion or our scale factor is going to be 2. So on a coordinate plane, what you're going to do is take each one of your coordinates. So A is at -1, 2. So I'm going to take both of those numbers and just multiply them by our scale factor. So our scale factor is 2. So negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. And 2 times 2 is 4. So A prime will be at negative 2, 4, because both of those numbers were multiplied by our scale factor of 2. B is located at 4, 4, and if we multiply both of those numbers by our scale factor, we're going to be at 8, 8. And so B prime will be at 8, 8, because our pre-image was multiplied by our scale factor of 2. Point C is at 5, 0. So C prime, if 5 and 0 are both multiplied by 2, it'll be at 10, 0. And then D is at 1, negative 3. So if we multiply both of those by our scale factor of 2, it will be at 2, negative 6. So what we have done is we have taken quadrilateral ABCD, that line, sorry. Our new quadrilateral, A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime, is now a similar figure, but it's stretched. It grew twice its size to form our image, A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime.